Okay, so got my contraption here I made to winterize my boat. Also would work with RV, house, whatever. So I got this on top here, 1.5 inch valve. So I just use that to fill. It gives me a good size to get the fluid in there, and then I can shut it. I always crack this, quarter of the way when I'm using it, and that just allows the top to breathe. These are just plugs for the tank. Got a 10-gallon tank from ClassACustoms.com. It's the T1000 10-gallon tank. So they had a bunch of different sizes. That's just what I chose to go with. 1.5 inch national pipe thread NPT, and then you got 1/2 inch on the other two corners. So I chose to use the 1/2 inch NPT to 3/4 inch barb, running a 3/4 inch poly tube to a 3/4 inch barb to 3/4 inch NPT, and then I have that hooked up to a quick disconnect hose connector. And from there I have two different options. So I have a Mastercraft X45 wakeboard boat. So I got 3 ballast tanks, a heater, and then the engine block that I need to winterize every season. So I have these two different attachments that I can plug in here. So this is my 3/4 inch attachment. I use this for the final stage of running the engine, circulating the RV antifreeze through the engine block. And then I have the smaller one that I've reduced it down to a 1/2 inch inside diameter with a 5 5/8 inch outside diameter, and that's able to go nicely inside of my heater hose, ballasts, and whatnot. So for the ballast, easiest thing I've found to do, start to arrange here. This is my ballast overflow. So I got the 3 ballasts, 3 separate overflows. I just take this 1/2 inch tube, stick it in there nice and tight, and then allows me to open up my valve and just backfill. I put about 1 gallon into each ballast, and then just go into the boat and flip the ballast to the dump. And then what you're doing is you're reversing it through the system, pushing it out where it would take it in, and essentially making sure if there's any water in there that you're pushing it out. Obviously make sure to dump it fully prior. But yeah, so this is the setup. Got the 2 different quick disconnects, 3/4 that I use for the raw water intake winterization, and then this 1/2 inch that I use for doing the ballast and the heater core. And I will start another video after this rain and kind of give you a walkthrough of how I go through and do it.